Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter unarc.dll returned an error code 11 error, then watch this video to find the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to re-register the unarc.dll file. For that we will look for command prompt in the search bar. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator and then enter the command regsvr3232 space unarc dot dll and press enter, and it should re-register and fix this problem. But if it doesn't, then we will again go to command prompt and we will right click run as administrator and we will run an SFC scan. We'll input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to finish. While we are doing that, we can also do a disk cleanup. So we will look for disk cleanup in the search bar, click on it, okay, and we will check all these boxes here and click on OK and click on delete files. And once this is done, then we will restart the computer and you should no longer face this .dll error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.